Picked up some live fruit models at the grocery store yesterday for live fruit modeling, and so I thought I'd try this pear. Tried it in a few different poses, and finally decided to go with this pose. Instantly regretted having the cloth in there at all, thinking, well, that's going to take a long time to paint, might not even look very good. So anyway, trying to do things the right way on this particular painting. So started with a sketch in the oil paint using burnt umber or burnt sienna and some white. Then I tried to put it in the background because I'm all about backgrounds now. If you saw my last painting where I put the background in the tomato painting after complaining that the most recent painting background was not very good. So there is my first underpainting, and time to boldly add colors, and you don't want to be wimpy at this stage. So boldly added colors. You don't want just 3 or 4 colors, but if you can get 10 colors in there, great. So the color match is usual miles away, if even, I wouldn't even call it a color match. Anyway, then hitting the towel, and you don't really want, same as the pear, you don't want one gray, lighter and darker, so I tried to add various subtle tones in the towel. Here is me trying to show how I was mixing the paint, which I guess I sort of missed the boat on that scene. And so here now we're trying to hit at the shadow underneath. We're very mindful of the depth that we are implying and color selection. Even though it's not a color match, we still want things close up to look close and farther away to look farther away. And that's about as far as I got. So I call that a solid underpainting. Now time to sink or swim probably with this painting, where we could either destroy it with a bunch of bad brush strokes, or it will come into riveting focus and we'll be like, wow, I can't believe that. Wow, look at that. Art fun. Painting